This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross versus Hyundai Tucson full comparison. Take notes on performance, features, and ownership costs as we go. I'll walk through styling, interior comfort, powertrains, fuel economy, safety tech, and cargo space in simple terms. Expect clear examples, practical pros and cons, and guidance on value for money. By the end, you'll understand the real trade-offs and which model fits your priorities. Let's compare engines, acceleration, and economy to highlight daily driving differences and ownership impact. I'll explain how tuning, transmission type, and curb weight influence fuel consumption and driving feel. We'll look at practical numbers you can expect on the highway and in town, and how those translate to yearly fuel costs. Use these comparisons to decide which model better matches your driving habits and budget. If you're enjoying this comparison, please subscribe and like to support more helpful videos and quick guides. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I use for lunches on road trips or commuting. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a set if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Now we'll open doors and compare interiors, tech, and safety features in plain terms. I'll point out which cabin feels roomier, which infotainment is easier to use, and where advanced driver aids meet real-world needs. Expect coverage of cargo layout, seat comfort for long drives, and practical storage solutions. These details usually decide day-to-day satisfaction more than peak horsepower numbers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.